Welcome back, everyone. I hope you're fine and well, and I hope you had a very good weekend. You enjoy your weekend. I did enjoy mine. It's a bit busy, but it was really good. So I hope you did enjoy your weekend as well. And yes, let's get straight into the session of the day properly. Sorry for me coming late. I apologize for coming late. I came late today. All right. So and there's a reason to that, but we're not gonna get into all of that now. Okay, and now guys, let's talk about our YouTube channel. We are growing gradually. It's still very small. All right, we are little bit below 120 subscribers. So guys, you've been doing very well. So invite some people. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and that will be fun. All we share is just clean charts, clean analysis, money making strategy, and just that. We don't do anything that is not that. Yeah. All right. So it will do you good if you subscribe to the YouTube channel. So let's jump into the fundamentals we have today. But before we do that, let's quickly read what happened in the weekend. So Trump did something, or Trump said something. He already stuck, right? That's why I said there's market, and then there's what? There is Trump market. Now we are about to enter into Trump market, Trump zone. Okay. So Trump said something during the weekend. He said it in a very, very bold, and I think XM right here that is reporting here, they are a little bit trying to like bring it down, bring the tone down a little bit, but it doesn't stop the effect in the market because we saw the XY jumped crazily today. I mean, during the week. Yeah, when the market opened yesterday on Sunday. So we saw a very crazy jump, which kind of put our USDHF sell trade in a pressure, in a dump, right? But we're going to get into all of that later. So he said Trump demanded that the BRICS country, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and their ally to commit to not creating a new currency or supporting another currency that would replace the United States dollar dominance. Okay. What he's trying to say is that the United States dollar has to keep being the dominating currency in the global market. That's what he said. Or if they don't, then he threatened them with what? Because this is a clear threat. All right. He's not even hiding it. He said, or what? Or face 100% tariffs. And then he said something in his tweet. Okay. I'm not sure I will be able to pull up the tweet, but let me see if I can lay my hands on it. Okay. It said something very, very profound. Okay, very profound. He said that if they don't, let me see if I can lay my hands on it. Let me quickly, oh boy, I think it's gonna take a while. All right, yes, I think I can see it now. Where is the source? Good. I think he posted it on Truth Social or something. Can't really tell. Okay, I think it's on Truth Social or something like that. But anyways, I've been able to, I already have it right here. So let me just put it where I can actually, where to make actually absolute sense for me to put it on top of the chart. Yes, right here, paste it. Good. So let me go ahead and copy it, and then I'll paste it on the chat so we can see. Copy. I'm very sure some of us actually saw the same thing anyways. But just for the some of us that didn't, while some of us actually saw it, some of us didn't. So let me quickly tell you what it is. Okay, so right here, this is what it is. So this is what Trump posted during the weekend. When everyone is sleeping, when the market is resting, and everyone is enjoying the weekend, this is what Donald Trump is doing. Okay. It said we require a commitment from other countries that will neither create a new BRICS currency nor back any other currency to replace the mighty dollar. That's what I said. The almighty dollar, the mighty US dollar. Or they will face 100% tariffs and should expect to say goodbye to selling into the wonderful United States economy. You see that? They can go find another dish. All right. There is no chance that the BRICS will replace the US dollar in the international trade, which is the global market. And any country that tries should wave goodbye to the United States of America. That is what the president-elect tweeted on his page. You can see real Donald J. Trump. All right. You can see right there. So that's what he said. And what happened to the market? Definitely, you should know this is going to impact the market anyways. What happened to dollar? Dollar jumped. Okay, but we're going to circle back to this later. I just want to share that with you before we come back here so we can now see why our USD CHF trade is currently running in a little bit of a drawdown right now. Okay, so that said, let's come to the fundamentals we have running today. So today we have the retail sales month on month in Australian dollar. In Australian dollar, okay? Someone on the chat said That is what we call precedent. I mean, you just have to hold your ground, and that's exactly what you're gonna get from Trump. Okay, is he making any mistakes? I'm not sure. Should dollar remain its dominance in the market? I don't. I'm not. I don't want to. Okay, dollar has been quite. I mean, we're going to circle back into that. Let me just quickly explain this. We're going to talk a little bit about dollar dominance, okay? And just remind me, okay? Just remind me when I'm done with all of this. Okay, so we have final manufacturing PM for the United States by 3:45 p.m. and by 4, we have ISM manufacturing PMIs and the manufacturing prices. Okay, they are still what? Inflationary data. All right, by 3:45 and 4 p.m. we have PMI, 2 PMIs and 1 manufacturing PMIs. Yeah, I mean, manufacturing prices. So the market is also forecasting an unchanged number for final manufacturing PMI and for the ISM manufacturing PMI. The market is anticipating for a little bit of increase. The reason why we are seeing ISM manufacturing prices because we are in the festive period. Okay, people are buying stuff, people are decorating their house for Christmas and all. So definitely we're going to see an increase in the what in everything. You can see the market is expecting an increase. Okay, an increase in the ISM manufacturing PMIs and the ISM manufacturing prices. So definitely that's expected to happen. And lastly, by 9:15 p.m. today, we have the FOMC member Wallace speech. That is that. It's going to talk a little bit about the labor market, the what's it called again? Probably talk about the stock market, also the equity market, and then make a U-turn to inflation and how they've been able to use the Fed rate to curb inflation one way or the other. But we're gonna get the full gist later by 9:15 when he's having that conversation. You can always stream it on YouTube if you want to listen to him. So all of that said, let's quickly take a look at how far we performed this month so far. I mean last month, which is November. So as you can see right here, we were down 1.8% last month, 1.82%. Recorded our first low, our first loss in a month from the past couple of 6 months now. The past couple of months now, since for the last 6 months, we only recorded one drawdown in a whole month, which is very good. And that literally kept us at, I think, 18 or 17 point something percent. Where is it now? I think we talked about, okay, yes, sir. This is it. So, we're up in a minute. Good, 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 good. All right, good. So, so we're up 17.52%. At the point, we're up 20% right here. Okay, when we took the account to 6K. All right. I think that was in October. As you can see right here, high, low, kind of shaky. It's kind of shaky right there, but I think we're experiencing our low right here. Maybe we're gonna get it back up. We don't know, but we see how it goes. Okay, but overall, the trajectory is still what? It's still very much bullish. We're just experiencing a little bit of drawdown right now. All right. So that said, let's head back to the list of trade I picked last month. Okay, this is the history. Overall, for the past 6 months now, I've only opened 188 trades. Okay, I've only opened 188 trades, and you can see USDCHF, this is the one that closed at break even on Friday before I joined again. And the trade lasted for 21 hours, 15 minutes. Okay, so that said, and then GU, I took a GU. Is it buy or sell? Okay, sell. And it closed me out at $8 loss. Okay. And you can see everything is right there. Okay, I don't want to walk you through it one by one, but what I would say is that we're still doing well, all right? It's not what we want. I mean, like I said, everybody wants a very steep move like this. Just keep going up, all right? But it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. And if you actually trade this with a prop challenge account, definitely you will have passed the two phases. If you trade it the same way I'm trading it, and that's why you are copying my trade, and you're trading exactly the same way. A prop challenge account would have been passed successfully by just following it. Simple as that. We are currently on a drawdown for sure. All right, for sure. But if you look back, we are not where we started from. We've moved past it. We've made over $800 past it. So this is good. And I'm going to run this till May next year to make it 1 year, just to show you guys that this is how it's done. And this strategy is worth it. Okay. But this 6 months alone is enough. It's more than you can hardly see people that manual trades. I'm not talking about bots or maybe Photoshop. Okay. Every time you see a picture online of this page like this, I will tell you category that 98% of the time it's what? It's Photoshop. It's an AI generated. If you take a screenshot now, AI can generate everything for you and it looks exactly the same. So don't get freaked out when you see 2 years of profit or 5 years of profit can be AI generated. It's easy. Just paste it on AI. They will do it. It will be exactly the same. You can put all the whatever you want there. You know what AI can do. For some of you that don't know what AI can do, just search for it online. All right. So, but it will be very hard for you to see someone that will log into their page like this, like I did log in onto mine, and you can see the time. If you check the time right now, it's 9:05, and you can see the seconds reading. So this is real. Okay, this is super real. You can see the seconds reading. All right, 13, 14, 15. If you check the time right now, it's the same. So you know that this is not a screenshot. This is real. All right. So this is where we have right now. We've not closed the trade in December. This is the current trade I have running. Open trade. Okay, this is what I have running. It should be around $8 loss right now because of the drawdown we saw on USDCHF. But until it's closed, we don't know yet. Okay, on the trade until the trade is closed, we don't know the outcome yet. So let's go. We're moving to the technical part of the session. As you can see right in front of you, we have DXY. Don't forget what Donald Trump tweeted. It's something to pay close attention to. So this is where we are on gold, on dollar index right now. What is the plan? The plan is still plain and simple. I think I should delete this one at the top here. It's not making any more sense. Okay, the market has already broken that structure. So let's see if we can get a break above here. I think we've already seen it broken anyways. Okay, we've already seen it broken. I don't want to draw too much trend lines, so many trend lines on the chart. Let me delete this one. At least we give you a clearer picture, and let me remove moving average. If I need that, I'll take it back. So it has already broken it, right? So let's wait if we can get a break above it like this, pull back, and then we start looking for buy. All right, because of this one, this particular trend line is still very much strong. Okay, we took a very good share. It was a very good short. It's a good trade. Brilliant. All right. But right now, the news has come out, the tweet has come out, and then we are waiting to see the impact. Is it going to it's going to be a prolonged impact or just a very short-term impact that will end up falling down later? We don't know. So we have to just chill like for the next 8 hours or so before we know what is going to happen next. Okay. But right now, there's high possibility of this happening. Okay. The market breaking above the pull back and then all the way to the top. Okay. As far as the XY is concerned. And if you're going to look for a better sell opportunity, okay, I think it has to be like break up this, pull back, and then drop. Okay, so right below here would be nice. Okay, right below here would be a nice place to start. So let's keep a close tab on this one. All right, on TXY. As far as I'm concerned, I'm keeping a close tab on it anyways. So USDCHF, don't let me waste much of the time. We spent like 10 minutes on explaining breaks and everything already. So this DXY, I mean, this USDCHF, this is the trade we have running right now. And like I said, this jump, this is the jump. This is what leads to our trade kind of like running in break even right now. The news is very crazy. It's very crazy. But it is what it is. We have to withstand this. We have to wait for it. Don't forget, this is a counter trend trade. We are trying to span. I mean, we are trying to check for reversal, early reversal. All right. The market is bullish. We all know that. On the daily, on the 4 hour time frame, it's all bullish. All right. But on the 1 hour time frame, it broke this structure. Pull back. This is a 50% Fibonacci, and the market started coming down. And we took a sell. We started trading. The first trade closes out, but it's still below structure. So I figured we should take another one. I took another one. And then right now, news happened. I mean, Trump happened, and the market is back up. So all we have to do now is wait patiently to see how this goes. Okay, and that will be that. Okay, we have to wait patiently. Now let's jump into GU. GU, this morning I told my guys that I'll be looking forward to buy GU. Okay, and I still want to take a buy. All right, but right now I would say my buy would be right at the top here. Okay, right above here. That will be where I'm going to be looking for buy opportunity on GU. Okay, I'll be risking maybe 35 pip stop loss. Okay, 35 pip stop loss. My ultimate target will definitely be at the top here. That'll be 1:4. Yeah, 1:4, give or take. Okay, that's not my ultimate target, but you know that I will take it slow and steady. Maybe I will first target this place, 1:2.5, before I'll take it all the way to the top there. But this is the plan. Okay, you can see the market seems to be going up, but the news again. Look at this drop. Yeah, it affected every major pair. Anything that affected dollar, it affected all the major pairs, all the G7. You can see that drop. Okay, it's quite crazy. Okay, it's quite crazy, but I'm looking for buy. I'm still very much stronger on the buy opportunity of GU, and it's gonna look like this. The market cross above that again for like the last time. I would chip in a very good buy entry. My stop loss is gonna be 35 pips, and I might also lose that also. And if you check the Fibonacci, if you check Ichimoku, they all signal buy strength, isn't it? Ichimoku is going up. You can see the green cloud, the bullish cloud, and you can see the moving average crossover also. They're all ticks, right? So it's a good one, but we have to wait. We have to wait because the impact of that news is still there. New York market will still open. There is no bank holiday today. So we have to be patient, right? This is not the time to rush into trade, to be aggressive. This is time to be calculative, to be patient, and to be logical. Okay, we trade because we are still at the very bottom. Okay, we are still what? We are still at the very bottom of chart. And some of you might still be kind of like scared to pick trade. That's on you. Okay, that's you. We're still kind of, a little bit at the bottom, but I think we are recuperating gradually. The market is bouncing up gradually. Let me remove all these indicators anyways. Okay, I think they are no use anymore. So you can see the market is already get rebounded from this particular trend line, which is very good. Okay, so now is retesting this place. Are we going to get it rebounded from here? Okay, and target this place. If you come here, some people will be taking a short opportunity for sure. As well as some people are already taking sell right there. And if we cross below here again, we might be looking for shorts. Okay, we might be looking for sell trade. So that is the plan. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so what was I saying about the short opportunity earlier? I mean, if the market finally cross below here, again, you might be looking for sell right here. If we break above here, pull back, you might be looking for buy, at least to this place, before we now start knowing, before we can now know what to do next. Is it going to drop or is it going to continue to go? But don't forget, we have this trend line right here, which the market can come back. That's why we are targeting it for the first time. For our first TP, we are targeting that trend line because so many entries will be there waiting to sell. So many people will be there waiting to sell. They want to sell the moment it touches the trend line. You would think some people don't see it, but people see it. Okay, people do it, people sees it. So we are looking forward to that. At the same time, we're going to take a buy right here. We're going to target it first. And then if this break out very well, then the target is a second. Okay, but that means we are not going to take profit there, but we definitely our trading stop will be at the bottom just to do what? To match up our trade and to trail it very nicely and follow it as it goes. Euro dollar also dropped this morning crazily, as well expected. Okay, as well expected. It was graduating to the upside gradually on Friday. I was expecting it to break above here, pull back, and then I would chip in a very buy trade. The plan is set until you know what happened, right? Until the tweet happened and the market take a whole different turn. Okay. So that is another thing that we need to expect. This is why not everybody, no, this is why even bots cannot trade the market successfully. That's another reason. It has to be manually watched and managed. It has to be manually managed for a bot to work 100%. Go and ask your bot trader, your favorite bot trader. Tell them how to manage it. The profitable ones, I'm not talking about the one that traded for 2 weeks and then the next two. Some people will trade it for 2 weeks to be profitable. The next 2 weeks, it will be on like a drawdown of 99%. Then they cut all the trades or they inject some more money for them to cut smaller loss. Okay, because bots, they don't work with stop loss, right? If they enter here, let's assume if they enter a sell right here, or let's say if they enter a sell trade right here, their stop loss will be right at the top here, their take profit will be here. Okay, so that if the market now pull back, okay, up to this place, then they will be opening sell, and then they will be shifting their take profit. So when the market now comes all the way to this place, they'll be able to make more profit. But all this that is opening, their stop loss is higher. Okay, it's like 10:1. That's how it goes. Okay, they set a stop loss of 10 pips and set a target of 1 pips. That's how bot works, if you know what I'm saying. And on that model, you can't make money. It's impossible. If your loss is higher than your profit, definitely, how do you want to make money in trading? So that model is not going to work. It's not going to fly in trading. And that's why I can still tell you that a full-time bot, and a long term, I'm also certain. But when it's properly watched by a set of guys, set of traders that understand technical analysis and fundamental analysis, it does that. Because even manual trading, you can't forecast what Trump is going to type, what's going to tweet in the next couple of minutes. Maybe he has dropped something else on Twitter now. Who knows? On X, excuse me. Who knows? But you have to keep trading. So this is the plan on euro dollar. I'm still kind of like hanging on this. If you break below here, pull back nicely, and there's a crossover, I'll give it a shot. If not, I'll still keep watching. But right now, as it stands, it's still very much bullish. You can see the Ichimoku plan, right? Still very much bullish. So NZD USD, the same thing. Still very much bullish on NZD, but at this point, considering what has happened right there, okay, what has happened already, I didn't pick this one though. But if I wanted to, I told you last week Friday that I would have joined the trade right here. That's why that thing was there, anyways. So I'm not in the trade, and as it stands now, I'm just watching very carefully and very patiently. I will see how it goes. Okay, but if I'm gonna take this buy, it's definitely going to be at the top here. Okay, you can see the moving average, you can see the Ichimoku cloud, right? And definitely the Ichimoku cloud looks like that. You can know what the moving average also looks like. Okay, so that is exactly why I am still looking forward to buy right at the top here. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, but I want to take it right here. After the break of structure, the pullback, and then I will chip in a very good buy right there. All right, so that's the plan. Gold dropped this morning crazily because of the, you know what? I mean, it affected everything across board, everything. But gold is still not very much ready for short opportunity just yet until break below here. I was already planning for entry. You can see my notification at the top here. I put it there yesterday on Friday. I was waiting for the market for gold to cross above here so I can take a buy and put my stop loss right here. Okay, it was gonna look like this. Okay, my stop loss would have been here. All right, and then my buy would have been there, and I'll be targeting the top here. Okay, entry, stop loss, and take profit. But that was not the case. It wasn't. All right, the market has something else planned. The market closed below here on Friday, and then the news took it down here. So what is the plan? Are we gonna see it drop below here? I don't know. I would like to see what happened. And then we end up crossing above here again. Maybe you do something like this. The market cross above here, pull back, then move up again. I'll still take this buy. All right, I'll still jump into that buy on gold. So those are my top watch. Now let's go to one I'm watching casually. I'm watching silver casually. All right, it's kind of ranging inside this box, and you know what we do with range. We don't trade it, we don't touch it. Is that a break below here, drop, or you cross above here and buy? Those are the two plans with silver. The same thing I had on what? Same thing I had on gold. So let me delete this Fibonacci so the chart can be a bit cleaner. All right, so let me drag this one right here. So a cross above there we buy, and a break below here we sell. I'm going to delete this trend line. It's useless now. So that's the easy plan on what? On silver right now. Cross above here buy, cross below here sell. Simple as that. Keep a close up of that one. I think USCHF is running very stupidly over it. That's this might be the end of the trade, anyways. It might be the end of the trade. I guess. I guess that's done. Ugh, it was good while it lasted, isn't it? It was good while it lasted. Let's keep it. I'm gonna leave it alone. Still yet to touch my stop loss, so that's that. See how to touch my stop loss, so I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm going to leave it alone. Moving back, heading back to silver. All right, so we already talked about silver. Close above, I buy. It close below, I sell. USD JPY on the other hand, USD JPY, I'm also anticipating for what? A better push to the upside. We're testing this broken structure right here. Okay, if that happens, I will give a sell opportunity a shot. Okay, if this happens like this, if I can get a flag pattern pullback, all right, I'll give a short opportunity. So I made the first one here. I made this one also. It happened in the midnight. I hope I don't miss that one also. What a stop loss on the CHF? I think you can just call the trade right now. All right, honestly, you can just call the trade. My stop loss was 88.60. Okay, 88.60. That's my stop loss. But you can call the trade right now. I don't see the point. But I'm not gonna cut it. I'll just let the stop loss handle business because it was there for a reason, isn't it? All right, it was there for a reason. So heading back to USD JPY as planned. So I'm looking for the price to come all the way to this top right here, retesting this area and then drop. I hope by the time it's dropping, I hope it doesn't happen in the midnight also. That would be very devastating. Okay, that would be quite devastating. So I'm watching, I'm waiting, and I would like to see how it goes. Okay, I would like to see how that goes. USD card on the other hand, I think there's a possibility of a buy, but it's not yet. I don't like all these movements, even though it looks good, but it's not the kind of guy I'm rushing to. Okay, let me cross above here. This intraday structure, the cross above it pullback, I will take a buy. But all hands on buy right now. Okay. All my plan on USD card is still on buy, but I'll buy it at the top here. Not gonna yeah, okay. So I'm on buy at 104. Okay, congratulations for your buy. I'm not buying USD card right now. Definitely, I'm not even interested in trading it anyways. I'm just watching it. I'm just watching that. Genuinely, that's my plan. Okay, that's my plan on USD card. But if it cross above here, I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot risk very little. All these move right here, they're not my kind of move. I don't care. I don't like it. So that will be that. But I think your buy is good. Mine is good. I don't know how it's gonna go, but 40, 19, whatever. Might be a good buy, honestly, but for me, not ready. Right? It's not ready for me. So heading back to WTI, I'm going straight to WTI. So WTI is also ranging. So unless it break below here, that's when I'm going to sell. Same plan. Break below here, pull back, look for short opportunity. All right. Anything outside of that, I'm just gonna watch. Okay. Anything outside of that, I'm just gonna. Does it mean USCH and USDK are going in opposite direction now? My brother, USDK and USCHF, they are not correlated in any way possible. Okay, they're just weird together. Okay, they're not super correlated. Let me say they're not correlated in any way possible. they are not super correlated, but in a way they're correlated, but they're not the best when it comes to correlation. They're not like euro dollar and pound dollar correlation, like kind of they're not in that kind of vibe. You understand what I'm saying? When you see GU and EU, you know that they are bodies, all right? But USD CAD and USDHF, they are not in that kind of understanding, if you know what I'm trying to say. So we just have to take those trades. I mean, like I think last year, that's when I came to terms that I have to take each pair individually. Okay, intermarket analysis sometimes is weird and it confuse you. Okay, it really confuse you. So take each pair as an individual asset and trade it according to the pair or the momentum you can see on the chart. Don't like, oh, euro dollar is falling, so GU and then you fall. But my brother, I've been seeing GU fall for 2 days, and I see Aussie dollar and Kiwi dollar move up like mad for 3 days. Okay, so don't play, don't play. All right, take each pair as an individual asset and trade them accordingly. Heading straight to, have I talked about Kiwi dollar? I'm not sure I've talked about Kiwi dollar, so let's talk about Kiwi dollar for a minute. I know, yes, we've talked about Kiwi dollar for sure. I think we've done it. So heading to Aussie dollar before I talk about Bitcoin, and then I will leave your air. All right, Aussie dollar is ranging as per usual. Like I said, we're just gonna leave it alone. It's categorized under my no plan watch list or no plan assets. So I'm not interested for now. Okay, so it's a no plan pair. So that's that. So on Bitcoin right now, you can see the market is dropping. Okay, you can see that the market price is dropping very drastically. If the range at the top here continues like this, okay, if the range right here continues like this, I mean, it might be another I think 60K to 76K or 74K that we saw some times ago. Let me see if I can get that for you, and then we wrap it off today. This is a very long one. Okay, let's see if I can show that to you when the market was ranging for a very long time. Where is it again? Aha, I think it should be somewhere. Let me take it to 4 hour time frame. That will help us stream everything down better. Aha, this is it right here. And it's from 74K to I think 56K. Down, up, down, up, down, up before it now break the all-time high and it bounced up. So that's that. So the market by February, March, when all the altcoin and everything has finally reached 100% and the grid has turned to fair, then you might likely see it drop all the way back to 85K before you see it actually go back up. Or it might even drop all the way to 76K before we see crypto boom again. All right. That is just a forecast. I'm not sure that is gonna happen. But before that, there is another forecast that before this drop happen, all right, before this dump, there is still possibility that it's gonna come at least reach maybe 105, okay, or even 110, okay, or even more before the drop happen. That's the speculation. That's all sentiment. We don't know for sure. We don't know how it's gonna go, but we are waiting. Okay, the same way we didn't know anything, but we still forecasted and we still make money. That's the same thing happening to what to Bitcoin right now. So let's just keep a close tab on everything and how it goes. So let's do a quick wrap up. My time is fasting and we'll be done for the day. USDCHF, I think it has closed us out already. Still like two or one more pips to go. We're holding that. GU looking for buy opportunity, possibly. If it happen, we take it. If it doesn't, that will be that. Euro dollar on the other hand is dropping crazily. So let's see how that goes. Let's keep watching. Okay, maybe we take a short opportunity later today. I'm not sure. I don't know. I would like to see that happen also. Kiwi dollar on the other hand is still hovering inside this range. If we get it to break above this resistance, we take a buy for sure. The indicators still indicate a very good buy, so I'm going to tap it at the top here. I hope my notification is right at the top. Nope, let me put an alert at the top here, just in case. I want to be alerted that the market has crossed a move there. All right, and then gold, which is the last stopwatch, okay, still ranging right here. It's still good for buy, and it's also very nice for sell, provided any which way it drops. So we're going to keep a close tab on all of them. So that's that from my hands today, guys. I will see you tomorrow when we have another session. Okay, don't forget what I'm saying. Prepare your mind. The next couple of, maybe by January next year, we are taking a whole different tone. All right, we're taking a whole different tone. So get some money, go make some money. And when the time is right, you see how it goes. Okay? I will see you all tomorrow. Let's have a great day. Bye for now.